Dibias of this generation only cares about money. Story time. Now, before you comment, judge, make sure you listen or you watch this video to the very end of it. Now, listen to me. If you are the kind of person that you follow me or you know me too well, you will know that I'm this kind of person that I do not tolerate anybody coming to tell me his or her encounter with any Dibia or any spiritualist or with any prophet. I do not appreciate such story. Do not tell me. Keep it to yourself. Because the same way you are telling me about a particular Dibia is the same way you are going to tell a particular Dibia about me. Yes. Now, let me tell you a story. Now, I want to tell you something before I start. Do good, but do not do good that will backfire back to you in no distance time. Do not do good that is under your capability or your capacity. If you are the kind of person that you have soft heart like me, you better start learning it, because nobody cares about humanity these days. Nobody cares about you any longer. Nobody cares about how you feel. Nobody cares about the process or how he or she begged you before you accepted or before you accept to do a particular good for them. Because when you are in the process of doing that good to them and you miss a step or you make a mistake, they are no longer going to remember that process or how they were able to beg you or how they were able to persuade you before you could agree. Now listen to this story. Somebody came to me, you understand. This morning I felt like, okay, let me give everybody a chance. A call came in. It was a guy. Now he now told me, Ada, so person did a particular job for me. This person, he doesn't know what he does. He collected a huge amount of money from me, and at the end of the day, that he or she has not seen that he has not seen any difference, that he has not started seeing a lot of stories. I just kept quiet. I was listening because I do not want to shut him up or dismiss him. Okay, I don't want anything that will spoil my mood, because normally I don't take such stories. Don't tell me. Keep it to yourself. Now, after this person finished his story, I asked him a question. How did you start with this person? What happened? Now, look at where the story started. You visited a person. Now, I am not a fan of charging huge money to work for people. Do you understand? Now again, listen. Why I'm trying to detail this story very well, because some people don't think straight. Some people are no longer normal on this social media. You will still see them typing nonsense on the comment section. But whatever you type is not my making any longer. It's left for you. Now, the way a particular or any Dibia will charge you determines the location of that Dibia. The cost of materials for your spiritual work determines the location of that Dibia. For example, I am in Nnewi. Somebody in Nnewi you cannot compare the price of somebody in Nnewi with somebody at a Kuke. Because when you go to a Kuke, the prices there are a little bit cheaper than what you can get at Afonnobi or Nnewi. So if somebody is buying for example, if somebody is buying candle 100 naira, you know, packet of candle is not even close to 100 naira. For a packet of candle is not even close to what they sell it. But for example, if somebody is buying a packet of candle 100 naira at Uke. Now, somebody in Nnewi here is buying packet of candle 250 here in Nnewi. Do you expect the same person here in Nnewi to give you the same charge with the person there at Ekuke? Whenever it comes to its traditional spiritual things, we seem to forget our mind at home. We will no longer carry that our senses with us. Now, listen to this story. You went to somebody's shrine. I don't care who the person is. I don't even want to know. Now, the person tells you a particular amount. He will do that particular work for you. Remember, I said I am not a fan of charging plenty money, depending on the kind of work they are doing for you. Now, the person tells you this is the amount he will do this particular work for you. Nne, Onna, you have checked your pocket. You don't have up to that. Instead of you, okay, you now started begging the Dibia. The Dibia told you, no, this amount you are calling is not close to what he can use for this particular work. You asked him, he gave you his reasons because of the kind of, or the materials, or because of the location of where he is. To get things there are expensive. You kept on persuading this Dibia. But because this Dibia is the kind of Dibia that he has soft heart. Down, this Dibia, because you've persuaded him a lot, his heart is already soft. He doesn't know what to do with you again. He now accepted, okay, let him do this thing. Lower times, 4 times the amount he told you. And when he was collecting that money from you, he told you specifically that this thing money is not going to go half of the materials, that he's not even no longer talking about the things he will get, that he's now concerned about the materials. You kept on persuading him to do it like that. Now, he went back. I don't know how he managed with his material. It's not my business. Now, Nano Asuna take start. Now, at the end of the day, it's not even up to 1 week that Dibia did that thing. You no longer care about what that Dibia passed through while doing that and after doing that. You did not even care to check on him if he's okay. You've started going around telling people that he took huge amount of money from you and ended up doing rubbish for you. Now, to my fellow spiritualists, do not do any good. Do not do any good for any person. In fact, do not do any good that is under your capability or your capacity. Because if at the end of the day, if anything goes wrong, those people that were rolling on the floor begging you will no longer remember that they rolled on the floor to beg you. Will no longer remember that they pushed you out of your way to do that. Will no longer remember that you specifically told them that this thing will not go half of the material, that you will just try and manage the materials for them in case if anything goes wrong tomorrow. They will no longer remember that. And the people they are telling those stories will not want to hear such story from you. So, what am I trying to say this morning? You is no longer to Dibias alone. You, no matter the kind of your area of specialization in whatever you are doing in this life to put food on your table, do not do any good. Do not do any good under your capacity or your capability. From beginning, then it try to become a good person. Then at the end of the day, they will rub that your good person on your face and walk away and even spoil your name and bring down your business and your career for you. People these days no longer care about humanity. They don't care of how you people started or what led to that situation. They only care about what is affecting them at that moment. Do not think you are special or you are loved because you are popular or because everybody knows you on these streets. My dear, if that kind of thing happens, that's when you will know that nobody loves you on this particular space. They only love you at that particular time because of what they get from you. The moment you miss your step, Otilo, your own is gone.